Dive into the world of home fitness with the Famistar T600 Treadmill, a machine that promises to transform your indoor running experience. Released in 2020, this treadmill has been designed to cater to the needs of fitness enthusiasts looking for a reliable and feature-rich exercise companion. Key features and specifications. The Famistar T600 boasts a spacious running surface, automatic incline, and a robust 3.5 HP motor. With dimensions of 61 by 27 by 53.5 inches and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it's built to accommodate a wide range of users. The console comes with 12 workout programs and extras like a sound system and device holder, all under a 2-year limited warranty. Design and construction crafted with a steel frame and thermoplastic components, the T600 is coated in corrosion-resistant black paint. Its unique suspension springs at the base reduce shock, complementing the standard deck cushioning. The foldable design makes it a space saver, while the built-in wheels ensure easy mobility. Performance and functionality. The treadmill's 48.4 by 17.3-inch belt is suitable for users up to 6'2", supporting a full range of motion and up to 300 pounds. The multi-layered belt with a diamond texture ensures grip and smooth motion, while the power incline system allows for a gradient range of 0% to 15%. Console and programs. The console features a 5-inch LCD with a blue LED backlight, displaying key metrics like time, distance, and calories. It includes 12 preset programs for various workouts and goal-setting functions. The sound system and device holder add entertainment to your exercise routine. Assembly, maintenance, and summary assembly is straightforward, with most of the treadmill pre-assembled. Maintenance is minimal, requiring occasional deck lubrication. The Famistar T600 is a comprehensive treadmill that offers a blend of comfort, convenience, and performance, suitable for a range of workouts from light walking to intense interval training.